Today we're unboxing a box, the Elektor Academy Pro Box, ESP32 by example. ESP32 by example is a complete learning course that includes everything you need to get up and running with the ESP32 microcontroller, from the book to the online learning materials to the hardware. Let's take a look inside. First up, we have the introductory leaflet that tells you everything you need to know to get started and access the online learning materials. Next, the core of the course, the ESP32 by example book. We'll look inside it later in the video, but let's dive into the box first. To program the included microcontroller board, you'll need this micro USB cable. A high-quality breadboard will ensure that you can hook everything up when you need to. Here's the Adafruit HUZZAH32 board. The brains of the operation is built around the official Espressif WROOM32 module containing an ESP32 chip, 4 MB of SPI flash memory, and a tuned antenna with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability. The box comes with a generous amount of jumper wires, both male to male and female to female. Here's the so-called cheap yellow display board. It's also based around an ESP32, so you're getting two microcontrollers in this Elektor Academy Pro Box. It's programmed using this USB-C cable, and you can use the stylus to operate its resistive touchscreen. To house the display board, a plastic enclosure is included, along with all the screws you could possibly need. Here we have the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, an ideal way to learn how to get real-world measurements with your ESP32 projects. Speaking of real-world measurements, this is the MPU 6050 board. It's a 3-axis accelerometer and gyroscope module all in one. And here's the heart of Jim's learning kit, which he calls the EEK. That stands for ESP32 by example kit. Inside the EEK is a small OLED display, which plugs straight into the carrier board, just like the HUZZAH32 does. And the carrier board itself, which is a perfect fit for the HUZZAH32 board. On the right-hand side, you see buttons that are used in various projects, including to control a drone later in the book. Drone not included. Next to that, you see a 4-pin OLED display connector, an 8-pin MPU connector, and K1 and K2 are where you plug in the Adafruit HUZZAH32 board. Like this. Now, let's take a closer look at the book. ESP32 by example is an Elektor Academy Pro title by Dr. Jim Solderitsch, adjunct professor in computing sciences at Villanova University, among many other things. You can see from the table of contents here what to expect in your journey into ESP32 programming. From setting up the Arduino IDE, the HUZZAH32 and other compatible boards, the EEK, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, connecting to the cloud, drone control, and even Python applications. The full color book begins at the beginning, with an introduction that gives you an overview of what you'll be learning and building, and then dives right in with projects you could build yourself. Essential code listings are included, and the book works its way from simpler topics all the way up to drone control. With this much in one box, I could stop now and it would be enough. But let's not forget that this box also includes access to a full course on the Elektor Academy Pro learning platform, where you'll get all the code downloads, instructional videos, and additional learning materials, all spread out over 19 different modules. So, if you've been needing to get started learning about the Espressif platform, then start with the ESP32 and ESP32 by example. Find out more about it from the link in the description. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to Elektor TV, where your learning journey will continue.